Look, nobody likes scooping poop. I've spent the last month living with 5 different automatic litter boxes in my house to see which ones actually save you time and which ones are just a headache. I've tested everything from the sensor accuracy to how bad they smell after 3 days. Here is the honest truth on what's worth your money.
Product number 1, the cream white open top. When I first pulled this one out of the box, I loved the open top design. It doesn't look like a giant spaceship, it just looks like a clean, modern bin. My biggest cat, who usually hates enclosed spaces, hopped right in because he didn't feel trapped. While testing, the 7-layer safety system was impressive. I tried to trick it by waving my hand near the sensors, and it stopped instantly every single time. The 10.5-liter waste bin is a lifesaver. I went 4 days without even thinking about it, and the seal kept the litter box smell from creeping into my living room. The app was easy to sync up, though you've got to make sure you're on a 2.4G network. If you have a cat that gets claustrophobic in those dome-style boxes, this open-top model is definitely the one to get. Product number 2, Cumridge Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This Cumridge unit feels incredibly sturdy. It's got a bit of weight to it, which I like, because it doesn't wobble when my 15-pound cat jumps in. The standout feature here is the massive 95-liter drum. It's huge inside. I noticed it's significantly quieter than some others I've tried. It's more of a low hum that didn't wake me up at night. The waste bin is even bigger than the first one, at 15 liters. I actually pushed it to nearly 2 weeks before I had to swap the bag, which is perfect if you're heading out for a long weekend. The Tuya app gave me some cool insights into how often my cats were going, which is actually pretty helpful for spotting health issues. If you have a multi-cat household and want the longest gap between chores, this is your best bet.
Product number 3, Pet Pivot Open Top. The Pet Pivot feels like the no-nonsense option of the group. Right away, I noticed there's no app setup. For some, that's a downside, but honestly, it was refreshing to just plug it in and have it work. The entrance is nice and wide, so my senior cat had no trouble getting in and out. It uses a mix of infrared and hall sensors, and during my week with it, it never missed a beat when a cat approached. It's rated at under 32 decibels, and I could barely hear it running from the next room. Cleaning it is actually easier than the tech-heavy models because the whole thing comes apart in 3 quick steps. If you aren't tech-savvy or you're tired of fighting with Wi-Fi connections, this is the most reliable, set-it-and-forget-it manual-style automatic box I've used.
Product number 4, Mintakawa Automatic Box. This Mintakawa model is a bit more compact, and I could tell right away it's geared toward kittens or medium cats. If you have a massive Maine Coon, skip this one, but for my smaller cats, it was a perfect fit. I did have to spend about 30 minutes putting it together, which wasn't hard, but just a heads up that assembly is required. Once it was up and running, the weight monitoring was spot on. I could see exactly when my kitten used it and how much she weighed through the app. The drum is super easy to lift out and wash, which is great because sometimes these things get dusty. It's incredibly quiet, about the same noise level as my fridge. This is the ideal choice for someone in a smaller apartment with a kitten or a standard-sized cat. Product number 5, DuckSky 2026 Upgraded Robot. Holding the DuckSky, you can tell it's the high-end Pro version. It's the 2026 upgrade, and they've moved the waste bin to the side so your cat can't get stuck, which gave me a lot of peace of mind. The 65-liter interior is cavernous. My biggest cat had plenty of room to turn around and dig. The odor control on this one is the best of the bunch. It uses ozone to kill smells, and I genuinely couldn't smell a thing, even standing right over it. It records everything: weight, duration, frequency, and sends it straight to your phone. It even comes with a bunch of extra liners and an odor eliminator in the box. If you want the absolute latest tech and the best possible odor protection for multiple cats, this is the one to splurge on. Cleaning the litter box is officially a thing of the past. All 5 of these will get the job done. It just depends on your cat's size and your budget. Check the links in the description to see the current prices. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know.